Welcome back to Wonder Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone flight. Without further ado, we're going to take off. So we're going to go to full height. Once we're at the full height, we're going to do 360 photo. Complete. We're gonna zip around. So first explore this area. As you can see, there's tennis courts down here. Let's get a more low down shot of this. So it's officially spring now. The day is getting longer. It's going to get dark at 7 p.m. See, the weather's much better now. Let's go ahead. Let's see the road. As you can see, this is the road. Let's get footage of this as well.
He just smashed the drone that we pulled on.
Alright, so as you can see, Sainsbury's car park. I explore that as well. Just going to orbit around. I want to get a nice static shot of it overhead. So I want to go overhead and I want to get a shot like this. Wait. I want to get a shot like this. It looks really nice. I like it a lot. Just get more straight. Explore the area as well. Big building over here as well. Let's orbit this as well. A nice shot. Alright, let's start heading back now. This is what Sainsbury's look like from. Let's get orbit shot of Sainsbury's. Got solar panels in the roof as well. You would never be able to see that from the ground. I never even knew that existed. Thanks to this drone, I'm able to see that. And I want to get a 360 shot of Sainsbury's, so I want to go around. See, this is the Sainsbury's looks like from the front. Park is right there, as you can see. That's what Sainsbury's look like. I want to get a low down shot of Sainsbury's. Let's come a little bit lower. get a shot of the road ahead as well. I want to get a shot of the road. Alright. Starting backwards now. I want to get a sideways shot of the traffic. So I'm going to go parallel with the road. We're going a bit slower. I might just speed up by going this way. There you go, that's much faster now. We're moving in flow with the traffic. We're actually moving faster than traffic. Let's go a bit higher so you can get more of the video. And we've got Sainsbury's as well. What a nice shot. Right, it's starting back now. Car park's emptier than before. There's more cars there. Right, it's starting back now. I want to go the other way. I want to explore this park. Let's explore this side. There's a big open field here. Actually looks more emptier there. I might go there. I might walk towards there. This is the park. I don't know what this is. That's right there. Let's go this side. See, it's more empty there, more open. I might go there in a bit. We even got this area. Look at that. What else can we check out? See, look at these buildings down there, but obviously that's a bit too far. Next time we can get drone shots of there. I'm currently in this area right now. What's down here? I don't think there's anything special. This little park down here. I mean, we're in the park anyway. That's part of the park. Alright, let's just go down here. Alright. Explore this area down here. What's down here? Alright. I can't see what's down there, but we're gonna go too far, so let's start heading back. Let's go straight across to the other side. Gonna keep going there. Can hear the drone fighting the wind. It's not even that windy today, but it's just still enough to just make the drones work harder. So I'm getting a little bit less battery time then. So I'm gonna time lapse this in the beginning of the video. Alright, let's head backwards. Explore this area as well, it's park. We're in the park anyway, but where else can you go? I want to get a low down shot of here. You can literally hear it, it's crazy. I want to get a lower down shot of the roads. I want to go down close to here. Alright, just gonna can hear the ice cream. You know what? Let's get a shot of the ice cream van. I can hear it. In fact, I can see it as well. I want to get a shot of it. So it's down here, ice cream van. So you can see it right here. Can't really see it because of the trees actually, because of where we are. People are going towards it as well, as you can see. It's got a nice aerial shot of the ice cream van. Alright. So got another. You know, I was gonna go the other way, but my battery's a bit too low now. Actually, let's try and go towards it right now. I wanna keep my drone up there. Let's walk towards it. I want to explore the big area. There's a lot of places. It's a big field down there. I want to walk towards it. Let's follow. Let's get a shot of me going towards it as well. It's like a game. It's actually insane. Let me go a little bit lower. It's like follow me mode, but I'm doing it manually. Going a bit fast. Drop my bottle. Right, I'm in big field now. I've only got 22% now. There's literally no point. I'm gonna have to land it in a minute. I'm gonna try and go ahead. See, it's not down there. Just wanna explore this park. There's no point. I'm gonna have to come back. Yeah, there's no point walking there because just as I arrived, battery's low. It was a bad move. Could have spent that getting more shots. Maybe I've got my power bank, maybe I could charge the battery, but it won't charge in time. See what's going down here, as you can see. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight. Thank you for watching. I'll speak to you in the next video. Peace out.